Pinterest is one of those platforms that always have something important for everyone. Neither you're a model, you're a business person, no matter the area you are looking for or you are dealing with. If you come to Pinterest, there is always something important for you. This is the homepage of Pinterest. To access Pinterest, you need to go to pinterest.com. And if you don't have an account, you need to sign up for an account. I already have an account, so automatically I'll be coming to the home page. So you have the home page here. You have this one to create. With this button here, you'll be able to create your own content. You'll be able to upload your own photos, videos, and the likes. You see, we recommended using high quality JPG files less than 20 megabytes or MP4 files less than 200 megabytes. So you see, you can upload your own files here, like the same for other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram. You can upload your pictures. If you have your business, you want to advertise your products, you have photos that you want to post on this website, you can come to this one and upload in the platform. Here is for notification of maybe what you've chat for, various things related to what you chat for. These are some of the things related to what I've chat for. So each time they upload something related to that, they'll give me a notification. You can also use it for messaging. You can use this one. See, invite your friends, connect to start chatting. Here is for new chats. So you can send message here. I know many people don't know that you can use this one to contact people, but you can use it actually to send message and receive messages. Okay, let's go to one of the interesting area when it comes to Pinterest. If you are working on anything and you want some inspiration on how to do it, just come to Pinterest and chat. You actually get the inspiration you are looking for. For example, these are some of the things I've been chatting for. See, I'm looking for birthday flyer, church flyer, you see, artificial flowers, all of these things. So, for example, let's say we are looking for artificial flowers. If you click on this one, you'll see Pinterest will bring a lot of designs for you, a lot of designs that are available here, and you can download them for free and use them. You see, if you are in design and you need to use some of these flowers, especially maybe for graphic designers, you want to use this flower in your design, you can come here and download everything that you want. You see, each category that you chat for, you have different things that they are showing here. Here, arrangements, flowers related to arrangements, you see, wedding flowers, flowers related to wedding designs. See, these are all, you have millions, thousands of them. You see, you have a lot of them. You can choose the type of flowers that you are looking for. So if it comes to table, let's see what you get. You see, these are flowers related to table design. See, maybe this for those event planners that normally decorate those event places. You can come here to take some inspiration and get some of these pictures so that you can use them to stand on them when you are doing your own decoration. Now, let's say we are looking for birthday flyers, birthday flyers. If I click on this, you see, you will see a lot of flyers that are available here. As a designer, you can use this one to do your own work. You can use them as an inspiration because almost all of the designs are available here. So you can just choose one of these ones and work according to that design and put your own information. So these are all inspirations that you can use to design your own work. You see, you have different, the same as when we are chatting for the previous flowers there. Here also you have different categories that you can chat for. See, design ideas, you see, church. Yes. So you have different categories here that you can chat for. So let's search for another thing again. Let's say AI, or let's say artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. You see, these are all pictures related to artificial intelligence. You see, a lot of material are available in this website that you can use for free. After showing you several areas, I'll be also showing you how you can download these materials and how you can use them. If you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to comment, like, share, and also subscribe. So now let's chat for another thing. Let's say interior decor, INTE, interior design. Okay, let's take this one. You see, you have all of this available here for free. For free, you can use all of this for your own interior decor design. You can use this one as an inspiration to set up your own interior. See, luxury bedroom. All of these are available here for free, and you can just download and use them accordingly. You can use them as a guide to your own design. You can use them in your graphic design to put them as embedded files in your designs, and you can use them inside your maybe your website design and a lot more. So everything is almost here. Let me say business. You see, when you type the particular word, you see different categories: business casual outfits, business casual outfits for women, business card design, business ideas, business women, business casual, business card. You have all of them, business professional outfits. So now let's say we say business ideas. If you're looking for business ideas also, you can come here and see you have a long list of different business ideas, 100 small business ideas. Let's open this one and see what we have. You see, you have all of this, so you can use this one also to learn and also guide you to do anything that you want to do. You see, 30 small business ideas, 12 businesses you can start with no money, 99 YouTube ideas, 12 businesses you can start with no money. You see, 26 passive income ideas. There are a lot, more than hundreds of thousands of these ones. So now, when you open it like this one, you have here, because you can like it, you can share, and also if you come to more, you can download. You see, come here, download, and you will get it in your computer and use it accordingly. So that's the option for downloading. If you come home again, you say house design. See, you have a lot of house designs available also. So basically, each and every aspect of life that you are looking for, just come here, you will absolutely get it. Let's say lot for lawyer. Okay, this one. Okay, you can see you have everything here related to lawyers. You see, everything related to lawyers. All of these are things related to lawyers. So everything is almost available here. Let's say politician. AN politician. You can see Donald Trump. You can see Putin. These are all politicians. So if you come here, everything related to politics, politicians, you see them. Everything you are looking for when you come to this website, you absolutely get it. Let's say farmer. Every idea you are looking for, you must have a photo related to that one. And they're high standard photos. You can see the graphics on them. They are very clean. You can use them for your graphic design and a lot more. So we have a lot of information in this website. If you want logos, you want icons for different um, platforms, like for example, let's say Facebook. See, these are all logos related to Facebook. See, cover photos related to Facebook. You see, all of these are free of charge. You can just open and download and use them according to how you want to use them. If you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Let's try to chat for another thing again. Let's say vehicle. See, different types of vehicles, and you can specify the vehicle that you want also. You can see them. See, these are all vehicles that you can use for your designs and different things, different purpose. These are all, see, you can see the graphics of them. They are good photo, very good photos. Come here if you want to download, click on this one, download. You can like, you can share also. Let's say highway. You see, these are all available here that you can use. Very beautiful photos. So if you are looking for an inspiration for anything, just come here. You absolutely see it. Let's say food, or let's say Chinese food. You see, these are all recipes related to Chinese food. See, these are recipes. I think the internet. So let's say photography. Okay, I think the internet has already opened the photos. So these are foods related to Chinese foods. Let's check photography. See, there is absolutely nothing you can chat about here that you will not get. There must absolutely be one or two photos or more than that that you will absolutely get related to your topic. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.